Howdy folks, today we're going to talk about the Norcold refrigerator, its fire, its recall, what's going to happen with it. You're going to want to see this. Alrighty folks, today it's hotter than hell in here for a good reason. Well, I don't know if it's a good reason, but it is hot and muggy outside. It is the hottest day so far this year. But thankfully, it's not because my fridge is on fire again. Yeah, that's right. This fridge caught fire in our camper. What happens is, Norcold put a faulty valve in these. Thankfully, they recalled them. Unfortunately, they don't make them no more. Fortunately, they're going to replace the whole refrigerator because it's toast. It got burned up on the other side. But anyway, what happens is there this valve here that's right underneath your refrigerator and right behind your plastic panel where your knobs and buttons are. And this valve leaks over time, and when it leaks, the whole fridge catches on fire. It's kind of like an explosion, and then it just keeps burning. And that's what happened to us. As you've seen, before I started talking here, I injected some pictures of the damage. The damage is mostly covered up by the fire extinguisher dust that I haven't removed yet, because Norcold has taken care of this, like I said. They're replacing the refrigerator with a new one. They're paying for the refrigerator and the shipping, but they won't pay for the installation, which kind of sucks. They should stand behind that too, but I guess I'll tolerate it because at least we're getting our refrigerator replaced. Secondly, I want you to check down below. I have a link to the Norcold Recall list. That's very important. Make sure that yours isn't recalled because there are thousands upon thousands of these things recalled. Also, if yours is on the recall list, don't use the LP if it's recalled for LP. Don't use it at all if it's recalled for electric. Better yet, maybe just not use it at all and get a hold of your local RV dealership or Norcold to get this thing fixed or replaced in your camper. You don't want to end up being the lady or guy who got fried in bed or lose everything because your camper caught fire. All because of a faulty refrigerator. You don't want that. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. We'll see you again in the next video. We're going to wrap this up. It's going in a few days to get repaired.